welcome to Look Ahead with Anna. It's the season of giving and this is the last video that I'm going to produce for 2023, so I wanted to give you something super impactful. So here is my actionable item today. This was the best video that I watched the whole of the year. It's 21 minutes and it's from Anna Dacam, who is with the Sustainable Hospitality Alliance. She is their program manager. And this video talked about her journey as an event professional and how she and her generation, Anna is 24 years old, is thinking and feeling about the climate challenge and what we need to do in our own lives and what we need to do in our industry to be able to make change. And the theory that sort of ran through the whole of the video and made it so impactful for me was time. We don't have much of it. And we've got our next generations coming up that we need to be setting leadership for, and we need to be making changes right now in our lives and the way we work. So this video, in all its essence, is going to give you some great thought-provoking pieces. It's going to question you on what are you going to do with your time? How are you going to use your voice and your influence? And I honestly think it's one that is perfect to finish off this year and also set us up for a purposeful and very active 2024. As you know, everything that I do is around the business events, tourism and travel industry. And so relating this very much to our industry right now and what we need to do is super good, impactful for the end of the year. So I'd love to wish you season's greetings. I hope you have a wonderful break and I will be back in early January with some more updates. If there's anything you'd love me to cover in the year or what's been very impactful, please let me know. That's always great. Please subscribe and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.